friends, welcome back to another episode of me turning my bag into a wearable garment. Today I'll be turning this bag into a skirt. So if you want to see how I did that, then keep on watching. As you can see here, I was unpicking and tearing the bag apart. It was quite a process. Also, I just couldn't just rip the bag. I had to carefully unpick to make sure the bag does not tear or get damaged. This is me carefully removing the bag handles as I had a great idea of using them as a belt. I then measured my waist measurements on the bag. Okay, here I was marking my waist measurements on the reverse side of the bag, and I decided to do that on the top part as there was already holes created by the bag handles. I then removed the damaged parts of the bag from the holes and kept it aside as I was still considering of using some of this fabric for the belt loops. I then remarked my waistline measurements on the bag top part. I then aligned my waistband on that same top part to make sure that they are equal. Then it was time to shape the bag as a skirt for my sewing lines. I decided to make the bottom part of the bag as the pocket. Notice how there's a little bit of dirt here on it. So I'm going to cut out that part and keep the clean part. I'm trying to use as much of this bag as I can. I then aligned my waistband on that same top part to make sure that they are equal. I decided to use the inside branding of the bag as a pocket decoration branding. And then I tried to decide if I should place it at the center or on the side. Honestly, I think placing my pocket at the center would have been a groundbreaking, unique design, unexpected also, but also at the same time for practicality of the skirts. Wait to see what I decided. Okay, I've installed the zipper. I then attached my lining on the hem of the skirt for a neat hem finish. Time to sew the loops for the belt. Size my waistband according to my skirt and then attach my waistband. I just love how this branding makes the skirts look professional. Like it looks like a skirt from a real brand. Just gave it a really nice finishing touch. And the pocket as well. I'm so glad I put it on the side. The belt would have covered the pocket. And this is what the back looks like. I used the zip up from the back and I like the silver detail of it. As you can see, I decided to use the belt handles as a belt. Okay, my vest is from Mr. Price, as well as my shoes. Also this lion ring, I got it from Mr. Price, and the cuff. As for my earrings, they are Bottega Veneta dupes from The Fix. My choker is also from Mr. Price, give it a bit of a DIY touch after the black diamond came out.